Hey everybody, I hope you're having an amazing day. Welcome back to NB Adventures. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I made my own soft plastic fishing lures. Let's get into it. So basically all I did was I bought this plastic from FusionX Fishing. They're a company that makes this kind of stuff, and this is a different color here. I already melted the other color. So all the leftovers I have left to make more, but I wanted to save some of this color for another type of lure that I'll be making. So all you do is you take this, you melt it in either a Pyrex glass dish or a can or some kind of pot or something. You use the Pyrex in the microwave, or if you're doing it over like a burner, I would definitely do it on a hot plate outside or in a really good ventilated area, because the fumes are very bad for you, okay? Can't stress that enough. You don't want to breathe those in. And then you get a mold like this, you pour it in. Now I bought 3 things of this plastic, and a mold cost me about, I don't know, maybe 20 bucks. I had to pay for shipping though, so that's the thing with that. I just want to try this out, take you guys along with me in the process, and it actually turned out really good. Like, these are like a 3-inch paddle tail worm, some mold right here, and I'm super happy how they turned out. So let me know if you enjoy. So what I'm gonna do here is take these lead weights I have, and I'm gonna put them in the can, and this will basically draw a little bit of the heat away from the plastic. And don't worry, the lead won't melt because it has almost twice the melting point as the plastic here. And we're doing this to make sure the plastic does not burn, because that would be terrible. Okay, stop. Nope. So I have my FusionX fishing plastic here. I got the Passion Melon color. This is what we're gonna be using to make our little worms here. So, gotta open it up. It comes in these little cubes. It's kind of neat. So what we're gonna do is gonna start with 2, and I'm just gonna try and cut it up into smaller pieces so it's easier for it to melt, and this way it'll make the melting process a little faster.
Okay.
Now I'm ready to put it on the hot plate, so I'm gonna put my gloves on. So, take my pliers, just have them ready. There we go. Now while that's melting, I'm gonna start getting my mold in place here and everything out of the way. And this is the knife to stir the plastic. Our plastic's starting to melt here. We have the fan going, blowing all the fumes away from us. And we have our garage door open. So make sure you guys be safe when you do this. Okay, I think our plastic has melted enough. Put that there. Grab our pliers here. Put it in the hole I made in the can. And very carefully, I'm gonna pour it in. Making sure I get all the holes. Okay, that was the first pour. Let's see how it turns out. So, this is the first one. Let's see how it turned out. Okay. Yeah, we've got a little work to do, but it's not too bad. Throw it in the water so it cools down better. And we'll leave it there, and let's pour another one. So our plastic's a little hotter this time. Hopefully that'll help us fill in all the grooves a little better. Here we go, pour number 2. I think I overdid it a little bit, but that's fine. We can always cut that off. That's good. Okay, this is number 2. I think this one turned out a lot better than the first one. Very carefully take it out here. There's a lot less air bubbles. We got a lot of the grooves. Oh yeah, look at that. We're gonna put it in the bath. Let's make some more, and I'll show you guys when we're all done. not already, please go check out my Instagram. It is Nick_adventures_YT. I will link it in the description below. You can get updates on my new videos coming out, and you can also message me any ideas you have, and I'm open to any ideas. I do announcements like I just got these stickers about like, I don't know, maybe 2 weeks ago. I'm super excited about these. I'll be giving away 3 as soon as I hit 50 subscribers, so stay tuned for that. You are going to have to follow the Instagram for that. So just letting you guys know. I'll put that in the description below. That is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed. I really enjoyed making this episode. It was a super fun new experience for me. Once again, please make sure you're subscribed by hitting that red button down below. And stay tuned for my giveaway. Thanks for watching, guys. See you on the next adventure.